Hey everyone, welcome back to Codexical. Ever wondered how you reuse the code without rewriting it every time? Or how Python has ton of pre-built tools ready for you? Today we are diving into the modules and packages in Python. Your ultimate goal, your ultimate guide to organizing and reusing the code like a pro. What are modules? First, let's talk about modules. A module is simply a Python file that contains code, functions, variables, or classes, which you can reuse in other programs. Think of module like a toolbox. Instead of building your tools from scratch every time, you just pick the one you need. As you see the example, it's a simple example of a math module.py. You can now import and use it in another program. If you want to import that module, then you will use the import function, import, and then the math module as we have built. As you have seen before, the math module is imported with the import method, and then the math module dot add, then the parameters are provided to it, and then the result is stored in result and printed on screen as our output of 8 as addition operation. This is the simple working of a module. You can import the specific functions from math module import add. So then you will use the simple add function, print add 10,5, which simply prints the 15 on screen. This way you don't need to type the module name every time. Built-in Python modules. Python comes with the hundreds of built-in modules. You don't need to install anything, such as I have just imported the math module. In the math modules, there are a lot of different functions that are pre-created. So we can use that with simple math.sqrt as square root function and dot factorial as factorial function. It's the 5 factorial prints the simply 120 as the factorial of 5 and 16 as the square root of 4. There is a tip from our channel. Always check the Python documentation. You might find the module that solves your problem instantly. That's the simple website. You can check out all the Python modules. You can see python.org. In that you will see everything about Python packages and libraries. Now let's talk about packages. A package is a folder containing multiple modules and a special file called as init.py. Think of a package as a library, a collection of toolboxes as modules neatly organized in one place. As you see in this example, the my package is a package and math module.py and string.module.py are modules inside it, and init.py tells the Python this folder is a package. Import module from packages. To use a module inside a package, we use the dot notation. As you see in this example, you can import a function directly. This makes your code organized, reusable, and readable. Perfect for big projects. If we want to install the external packages, then we will simply use the pip install method. With the help of this, we can install the external packages with the help of pip. Then we will import that whole package with the help of import function, and then we have imported the request, and response is It simply loads the github.com as a request, and it will store that data into the response, and then the response.status code will be printed on screen as 200, which is as successfully loaded the website. Always check the package documentation for usage examples, save you time. Here's a quick recap. Module is a single Python file containing reusable code. Package, a folder containing multiple modules. Importing, use import or from module import function to reuse the code. External packages, use the pip install to add more functionality. With modules and packages, your code becomes clean, organized, and scalable. It must be needed for a professional Python developer. And that's a wrap on module and packages in Python. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Codexical and hit the bell icon for the more Python tutorials and the new upcoming trends in machine learning and AI. Comment below with your favorite Python module or package. Let's see what you are using. In the next video, we will learn about file handling techniques. So see you in the next video, and stay focused and keep learning with Codexical.